Hi dears, I welcome all of my dearest children to our maths class. Today's our topic is integers. Have you heard this word integers? Yes, we already studied from our 6th class. Today let's discuss module 1. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand number line, positive and negative numbers, addition of positive and negative numbers. Okay, let's see our first chapter, chapter 1, integers. Here you can see 7 numbers. The central number is 0 and starting minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, etc. Central number we know 0 and right side of 0 some numbers are there, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. These set are called positive integers, positive numbers. And left side of 0, here you can see one set, that set are called negative integers, negative numbers. So these three sets are called integers, that is negative numbers, positive numbers including 0 are called integers. An integer is a whole number that has a positive sign or a negative sign including 0. So you remember to include 0 with this set. So these three sets are called integers. A positive integer is a whole number with a positive sign or without any sign. Here we can see 4 numbers plus 2, plus 7, 8 and 12. Here these two numbers having plus sign. So here we can see whole number with a positive sign or without any sign. So we can write a positive number with plus sign or without plus sign. Both are correct. We usually do not write a positive sign before a number. We simply write 2, 7, 8, 12. Okay. Next, negative number. What is a negative number? A negative integer is a whole number with a negative sign. It's sure to write a minus sign before a number. You can see 3 numbers, minus 3, minus 10, minus 20. It's sure to write a negative sign before a number. Okay. Next, let's see a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3 and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is a number line. Central number is 0. We know 1 is greater than 0. 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 2. That we already know. That is the numbers passing through right of 0. The value must be increasing. The value is increasing. And the numbers goes through left side of 0. The value is decreasing. That is minus 1 is greater than minus 2. That is minus 2 is smaller than minus 1. Minus 4 is smaller than minus 3. Okay. Minus 1 is smaller than 0. Out of minus 1 and 0, 0 is greater. Minus 1 is smaller. Here you can see minus 2 is greater than minus 4. This minus 2 is greater than minus 4 but is less than 1. Here you can see 1. 1 is a positive number. So minus 2 is less than minus 1 and minus 2 is greater than minus 4 and minus 3. Okay. The numbers goes through left side. The value is decreasing. Here you can see some questions. Which integer is smaller? Minus 5 or minus 3? Which integer is smaller? If there is no negative sign, The numbers are 5 and 3. Out of 5 and 3, which is greater? 5 is greater. Which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So, when we put a negative sign, minus 5 and minus 3, which is smaller? Yes, minus 5 is smaller one. Next question. Which integer is greater? Minus 1000 or 210? Minus 1000 is a negative number. 210 is a positive number. So, which is greater? Positive numbers are always greater. So, 210 is greater. Next question. Which integer is smaller? Minus 1 or minus 99? Minus 1, minus 99. Which is smaller? Yes, minus 99 is smaller. Minus 1 is greater, minus 99 is smaller. Next question. Determine the largest integer and the smallest integer. Here you have given 5 numbers. 8 and 4 are positive numbers. Minus 9 and minus 6 are negative numbers. 0 is neither negative nor positive. So, out of these 5 numbers, which number is largest integer? Largest integers are always positive numbers. So, here positive numbers are 8 and 4. Out of these two, which is largest? Yes, largest integer is 8. That we know. And which is smallest? Smallest are always negatives. Minus 9 and minus 6. Which is smaller? Yes, minus 9 is smaller one. Very simple questions. Next, let's discuss addition of a positive and negative integer. This is also we studied from 6th class. Let's see some example. First question. Minus 17 plus 7. Here 17 has negative sign. 7 has positive sign. This plus is addition. 7 is simply we have written 7. So it is originally it is plus 7. Addition of positive number and negative number. What will we do in this case? We subtract the smaller one from the bigger number and put the sign of bigger number. So, if we remove the negative sign, which is bigger, 17 is bigger. If we remove the negative sign, 17 is bigger. So, we subtract 7 from 17. 7 from 17, what is the answer? 10. And what is the sign of bigger number? Negative. So, answer is minus 10. Okay. Next, minus 8 plus 20. Here also addition of positive and negative. So, we subtract smaller from bigger. 8 from 20. 8 from 20 we will get 12. Sign of 20, that is sign of bigger one, positive. So, answer is plus 12 or simply we can write 12. Both are correct. Next question, minus 16 plus 60. Here you can see the same number with opposite sign, that is same number with the positive and negative sign. Always its answer should be 0. Another example, minus 2 plus 2, answer 0. Minus 3 plus 3, answer 0. So you remember this, same number with a different sign, answer should be 0. Here you can see 10 plus minus 18. So we subtract smaller one from bigger one. 10 from 18. Answer is 8 and sign of bigger number. Here when we remove negative symbol, the bigger number is 18. So what is the sign of bigger number? Minus. So 10 from 18, that is 8, and put the negative sign, minus 8. Next example, you can see both the numbers having negative sign, minus 18 plus minus 2. Very simply, we can add the numbers and put the negative sign. We can add the numbers in this case only. That is addition of negative numbers. If both numbers having negative sign, we add the numbers and put the negative sign. 18 plus 2, 20. and put the negative sign. Answer is minus 20. So, when we add a positive and negative integer, we subtract the numbers, but the answer will take the sign of bigger number. Next, we discuss addition of negative integers. Addition of negative integers is very simple. When we add two negative integers, we add the numbers and put the negative sign. Simple. Listen, minus 4 plus minus 29. Both are negative sign. So we add the numbers and put the negative sign. 29 plus 4 minus 33. Okay, next. Minus 100 plus minus 73. We add the numbers. 100 plus 73, 173 and put the negative sign. Next, three numbers having negative sign. We add the numbers, we will get 15 and put the negative sign. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you.